This model kit review is of the Porsche 914 or 916, and it is a 1/25th scale model by Revell. And here you can see pictures of finished model, and you can do either version. There's some of the dimensions and colors, and some pictures of the model as well. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here we have our chrome parts. Let's have a look at those parts. And not terribly well molded. We do have some mold lines and flashing there, so that's going to need to be cleaned off. And the challenge with poorly made molds with the chrome parts is that you then have to scrape it down, which leads you to have a gap in the chrome, and you have to repaint it. So you might as well strip all the chrome off. Here we have our engine headers. We've got our e-brake, stick shift, some of the engine parts here. We've got our bumpers. Those are nice and shiny, but typically those parts, when you cut them off, they show. Here's our wheels here. And those are fairly well molded with some nice level of detail. Here we have our glass. And here's the other glass here. Just depending on which version you're going to build. And let's have a look at this main sprue, or the main sprues here. So first of all, we have our body, which the molding quality is okay. We do have some mold lines, and they're all going to need to be sanded off. Lots of flashing here, so not terribly well molded, but some reasonable level of detail. Here we have the inside of the doors. We've got our hood, bumpers, we've got our chassis here. Here we have the windshield frame, and looks like the trunk, possibly some parts for the inside of the doors. We've got our seat and steering wheel. Looks like our fuel tank. Here we have another seat, and possibly our headers with the exhaust. As you can see, a fair amount of flashing. Our steering wheel not really well molded. With our engine, this is the Boxer 6 engine. This looks like our struts and wheels, at least the corners. We do have our transmission and pedal box over there, and looks like the interior of our cockpit, dashboard. Let's have a look at our decals. These are some very nicely printed decals. So some details here about the car. Here we have our colors needed. We start to build the engine first, and then our corners, the wheel hubs. Those are then mounted with the suspension to the chassis. Then the front ones are put on, and we start to make the wheels. So the front suspension goes on. And you can do racing or stock. And again, racing or stock, depending on what you want to do. Whether there's that extra seat in there. which seat you're going to put in there. And we start to build the cockpits. Next we build the body parts with the dashboard. And bumpers going on. Next we put on the windshield and frame. It's mounted to the chassis. Fuel tank and suspension parts going on. Be the rear bumper and exhausts. And then the trunk going on there. And then lastly, painting and decal guide. Here's the racing version. I think the racing version looks a little nicer. But if you did want to do the standard version, you can always add some of these extra decals. All in all, some details. Decals really are very well printed. Molding quality is not great.